Hello, I hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome to our Project 2, the Michigan Urban Farming Initiative project presentation. To give you some background information on myself, hi, my name is Sarah. I am a Wayne State University alumni student. I graduated back in 2013 with a Bachelor's of Science in Psychology as well as Pre-Physical Therapy Sciences. Currently, I am studying to become an industrial engineer. The dream is to very soon graduate and get back to the city of Detroit. So let's start off this presentation with an introduction of our project. Project 2 requires us to devote a significant amount of time and work towards researching the processes of a particular organization. The organization that we have selected to do our research on is the Michigan Urban Farming Initiative. The purpose of our presentation is to identify clear and specific problems that we aim to help resolve at MUFI for short, and then develop a strong and multifaceted research plan to help resolve these problems that we have identified. So right now I would like the chance to briefly explain and forecast the structure of our presentation today. I will be leading this discussion with a topic description, as well as providing some background information on MUFI. And then Claudia, who is our team lead and a biology major, will be talking about what we plan to accomplish, the problems we are attempting to resolve, and why it is important that this project go forward. And then Daniel, who is a fellow engineering student, will be talking about how the team will work together to communicate, provide a description of team accountability, and then show us a schedule of our project as we move forward. And then finally, Anika, a computer science major, and the final member of our project team will conclude our presentation today. So let's start with the topic description and a little bit of background information on MUFI. MUFI's mission statement is as follows. The Michigan Urban Farming Initiative is an all-volunteer nonprofit organization that seeks to engage members of the community in sustainable agriculture. We believe that challenges unique to urban communities like Detroit present a unique opportunity for community-supported agriculture. We hope to empower urban communities by using agriculture as a platform to promote education, sustainability, and community while simultaneously reducing socioeconomic disparity. So they want to promote community involvement to many social issues facing Detroit right now and potentially develop a broader model for future redevelopment in any other urban community. And then they also want Detroit to have access to cleaner, healthier food, which is amazing. So now Claudia will continue our discussion. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Claudia Horner, and I'm a senior here at Wayne State studying biology. I've worked with the Michigan Urban Farming Initiative in the past, which is why my group mates and I decided that that was the organization we wanted to work with for this project. My role in this project is team leader, so I will be helping out my teammates in their specific roles, which include accountability, connecting with the Michigan Urban Farming Initiative, and all the different areas of research. Today I'll be going over what we want to accomplish, the problems we're attempting to resolve, and the importance of why this project should move forward. I'm going to first go over our objectives. We want to provide the Michigan Urban Farming Initiative with more volunteers and a better presence in the Detroit community. We hope to do this by building them a better social media and giving them flyers that they can hang up around the Detroit and Wayne State community. We'd like to get them a table in the Student Center where they can come and recruit Wayne State universities for volunteering, and they can also spread awareness about urban farming. We'd like to get them a table for Festival, which occurs during the first week of the semester when most Wayne State students are on campus, and here they can again recruit Wayne State University students. And then fourth, we'd like to get them a table at the Wayne State Farmers Market, which happens every Wednesday from June to October. Here we're really looking to engage the Detroit community and spread awareness about urban farming. We want to bring produce so that the Detroit community can see what's being grown in their own backyard. So mainly the problems that the Michigan Urban Farming Initiative is facing are lack of volunteers and lack of community presence. So we hope to combat the lack of volunteers with using the Wayne State University students, encouraging them to come and help out at the Michigan Urban Farming Initiative to give back to Detroit, because Detroit's given us such a beautiful school, and also engaging the Detroit community, getting them to come and volunteer in their own community. And then we need to build them more of a presence in the community. We have a couple of ways that we think we could do this. We want to donate some of the produce to local restaurants, so when people are eating their vegetables and fruits, they can see that it was grown locally right here in Detroit. We hope to engage the homeless by giving them produce and bringing them to the Michigan Urban Farming Initiative and showing them that if they volunteer, they can get these really great healthy foods. And then again, building the social media platform. Community-supported agriculture is extremely important. It promotes education on healthy lifestyles, which is not always something that's important or stressed as important in poorer communities. It promotes sustainability, so it provides food security, so there will always be food in the garden for anybody that needs to come and access food. It helps diminish the socioeconomic disparity that there is in Detroit. In poorer communities, it is harder to access these healthy foods that are easier to access in places like the suburbs. And then also we hope to build bonds with the community of Detroit by getting them to come and volunteer at the Michigan Urban Farming Initiative. It builds a sense of achievement by planting that seed and seeing it grow and become these beautiful produce that potentially can go and help people that really, really need it. So that's all I have for you today, and I'm now going to pass off the presentation to my teammate, Daniel.
Hi, my name is Daniel Walker. Today I'm going to be going over the methods that our team uses to communicate, how we hold ourselves accountable, and our project schedule. A little bit about myself. I'm a senior environmental engineering student. I have an interest in aquaponics. I've built a few systems in my backyard, and I'm also interested in urban farming. And so this has been an exciting project for me to be involved in and to do research in, because it's kind of, an interest of mine. So the way that our team communicates is mainly through group text message. We all have iPhones, so it's really easy for us to do that. We communicate constantly, so it's been a really convenient way for us to keep in touch with each other throughout these projects. We also do conference calls about once a week where we can all get on and talk together and make sure that we stay updated. And then lastly, we plan to have in-person meetings before all of our major deadlines. So the ways that we hold ourselves accountable for this project is we delegate everything that we do. Each team member has a specific area of responsibility for each piece of the project. We constantly adjust and check on our progress as we go through, and we're all aware of each other's areas, and so that allows us to create a smooth transition from one piece to the next, so there's not any gaps in the research or the writing or the presentations. And we check our progress constantly against the schedule, and we adjust that as necessary to make sure that we are looking ahead and staying on track and being proactive. And we also have many designated meeting times to make sure that we stay on the right path. Speaking of the meeting times, so the schedule for the project is as follows. On the 19th of June, we're going to meet and go over the project schedule in general, go over everyone's areas of responsibility, draft the research plans, discuss the research and delegate research areas. That's going to be a piece that takes some time, so we need to get that done ahead of time. And we also create deadlines for research submittals. On the 26th, we will organize projects 3 and 4, delegate the parts, and create draft templates. And on the 30th, we'll be submitting project 3 and checking progress on project 4. On the 7th of July, we plan to finalize and submit project 4. And then on the 10th, shortly after, we're going to start working on the big project number 5, which includes 5A and 5B. We'll delegate parts for that, check progress for the research, and create project templates. On the 18th, we'll be finalizing and submitting Project 5, checking progress of 5A, and creating rough drafts for the future pieces. On the 22nd, we're going to finalize and submit Project 5A, check progress on Project 5B, and create a rough draft template. And then finally, on the 25th of July, we're going to finalize and submit Project 5B. Thank you very much. I'm going to hand it off to Annika to close us out here.
Hi everyone, everyone, my name is Anika Tawfiq. I am a senior at Wayne State University studying computer science. So as my teammates have discussed, we are working with the Michigan Urban Farming Initiative organization for this project. The Michigan Urban Farming Initiative is known for a lot of things, but mainly they're known for promoting community involvement and helping the Detroit community get healthy foods. And while that's amazing, we noticed that one of their problems is that they don't really have that many volunteers working with them. So that was basically why we wanted to work with them. They're a great organization, so we wanted to get more volunteers with them, or for them, basically getting Wayne State students to help them out, spreading awareness about urban farming, getting social media presence for them, or donating produce to local restaurants. So that's basically our goal for this project. We want to promote education on healthy lifestyles, and they really do that, so we wanted to help them out. So what my team has been doing is we have broken up responsibilities between us. Claudia is our project manager, or our team leader. Sarah is basically the contact between us and the Michigan Urban Farming Initiative. She's going to be helping us try to, talk to them and see what their needs are. Daniel is going to be responsible for putting the presentation together and putting all the information together, and I, with the help of my teammates, am going to research about what they need, how we can help them, and everything else. So we are thinking that we're going to be done with this by July 25th. We're going to submit our research, our presentation, everything by that deadline, if everything goes well. But that being said, we want to stress the importance of this organization and how this can't just stop with us. We really need the support and the involvement of our fellow Wayne State students and peers to really help us get the word out for this organization. With that being said, I'd like to invite any feedback or questions. You can direct those to Claudia, our team leader, and she will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, thank you.